Hey guys, it's Ashley. I'm at the Tracy Cunningham salon today and I'm doing Megan's hair, some wedding prep. Her wedding's in about, 3 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Oh my gosh. So we're just getting her hair ready. We're going to do some color, obviously. So we're in the middle of the process. I just did a bunch of fine baby slices across her mohawk. So I rinsed that first. And then I continued the side. So I'm just letting those process. When I pull my foils and when I rinse them, I always hit it with Olaplex number 2. I like to use this to kind of detangle because I also do a teasing on her ends, like the tips here. These are teased so that it gives a soft gradation instead of seeing these lines from the balayage. So to do the comb out, I like to use the Olaplex number 2 to give it a treatment, but also to use as a lubricant kind of to like get in those knots. So I'm just gonna apply some of this Olaplex. Which if you're at like a salon where, you know, you gotta use a little sparingly, then maybe I would mix it with some water. Or you could do the Olaplex number 1 and the 2 with some water, and that will give a more intense treatment even though you're diluting it because the 1 is like really super potent. But yeah, if you use this at home as a treatment, it really helps against breakage, but not just from color, from like styling. Like there's so many ways that people get breakage, you know, just from like over combing, like when people like go at their hair super hard and then you hear things snapping, like your hair is actually breaking. So this actually helps with that too.
So if I was at home, when would I use it?
If you're at home, I would recommend to get the number 2 if you can get your hands on it, even though it's only meant for professionals, because the number 3 is like diluted. But if you can't find it, it's fine. I would just saturate your hair either at night on dry hair, because then the water doesn't dilute it. And then I put a hair bag on, like a shower cap, and then I just sleep in it.
Would I rinse with hot water or cold water?
Actually, you're gonna shampoo and condition this one out.
Oh.
So I've done that before. The very first time I used Olaplex, I was such an idiot. I like kept drying my hair and it would not dry. I literally was like, oh my God, like it will not dry. And then I realized I didn't read the directions and I used it like a conditioner.
Yeah.
And so it would not dry, and I was like, oh my God, so I had to go back in and like shampoo it out, but
okay, so
common mistake.
Yeah.